Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn list concatenation operation in Python. We will discuss how the plus operator combines two lists in Python. List concatenation. The plus operator combines two lists to create a new list value. Lists can be concatenated just like strings. The plus operator, also known as the concatenation operator, combines two lists to create a new list value. It is important to know that you can only concatenate sequences of the same type. That means plus operator expects the same type of sequence on both sides of the operator. Otherwise, you get a type error when the code runs. For instance, you cannot concatenate a list and a string. Example. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the three integer elements 1, 2 and 3 and assign it to list 1. Next, I created another new list with the three string elements A, B and C and assign it to list 2. After that, I use the plus operator to concatenate list 1 with list 2 and assign the result to list 3. The plus operator created a brand new list with the elements from list 1 and list 2 and assign that to list 3. The next statement, print list 3, will display the newly created combined list with the elements from list 1 and list 2, which contains three integer values 1, 2 and 3 and three string values A, B and C. Remember that this operation does not modify the original lists but returns a new combined list. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambika27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.